Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Anjali. Today I'll explain you how to create dashed lines in Matplotlib. In three ways I am going to explain how to create dashed lines. First is using basic line style parameter, then using set line style function, and then I'll explain how to customize dash patterns. First we'll start with line style parameter. In Matplotlib, using line style or line style is equals to dash. Within the plt.plot function, we can create a dash line. It means in plt.plot function, by using the line style as hyphen or dashed, we can create dashed lines. Other common options include dash, dot, and dotted. In these ways, you can create the dashed line in line style parameter. Now I'll explain you an example. I'm copy pasting this code. Now we are importing matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. We are taking two different variables called months and average temps. In this we have the name of the months. Here we have average temperature. In plt.plot function, we are taking months variable, average temperature variable, and as I said, in line style, we are taking dash, and color we are giving blue, and label we are giving average temperature. These are the parameters that we are giving in plt.plot function. And here plt.title function we are using to give the title. We are giving x label, y label, and legend function also. Show function to display the graph. Now I'll run this. Here is the title which we have written inside title function. This name displayed here in the x label by using x label function. Temperature is displayed here, which is displayed by using y label function. This is the label average temperature it is displaying, and here you can see the dashed lines which we got by using the line style parameter. This is one of the method. Now we will see the second method, that is by using set line style function. In data visualization libraries such as Matplotlib, you can create a dash line using set line style function or by providing a specific keyword argument or shorthand to the plotting function itself. It means you can create dash line using this function, set line style function, and we need to provide a specific keyword argument or shorthand to plot function itself. Now I'll explain this in example. We will keep these months and average temperature as it is, and I'm just changing this content. I've explained till here. Now I'll start with this one. Here in the plt.plot function, we are passing months, average temps, and now we are giving color as red, and in the label we are taking dynamic style. This is the function which we are using, set line style. Inside this we are passing complex dash sequence. As in the last example, this is the title, this is x label, this is y label, and legend to display label. Now we will see what output it gives. It is coming in the red color as we have given here the red, and x label you can see, y label you can see, names of the month, and here is the title. These are the keyword arguments that we have passed inside this function, which is helping us to plot this graph by passing a complex dash sequence. This is all about second method. Now we will see how to customize dash patterns. Sometimes the default dash patterns doesn't fit your needs. Matplotlib lets you to customize dash patterns using the dashed attributes, which defines the length of dashes and spaces in the plot. It means the default dash pattern, what it will give, would not be satisfying or would not be what you required. So you can customize the dash patterns using dashed attributes, which can define the length of dashes and spaces in points. Now we will see how to customize this with an example. Again, I'm keeping these two variables as same, import as same, and I'm changing the leftover content. Here in the plt.plot function, again in the same way we have written those two variables, and here color we are giving as green and label is custom dash. Here we are using set dashes function where we are passing 10 and 5, where 10 is points dash and 5 points the space. This is how we are customizing now. This is the title, x label, y label, and show function to display the graph, legend function to display the label. As you can see, this line and these spaces are being customized. Now we can make out the changes. If I am increasing the dash point, the length of this line is increasing. This is how we can customize. If you want to increase this space, we can increase this number. This is how it looks after increasing this space between the dashed lines. In this way, you can customize. I hope you understood all the methods that I explained in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.